Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga. As you guys know, there is so much of hustle all around the world. I guess everyone has understood the importance of yoga. So, the main motive of making this video is to spread awareness among people of how you can stay healthy mentally and physically by doing yoga. Coming to the video, so basically, this is a series of yoga asanas and pranayams which has to be done by everyone if you want to strengthen your immune system and boost your oxygen level. Now, if you are a COVID patient or have been a COVID patient, then this particular series is going to work as a weapon for you to fight against COVID. And if you take my advice, then I would suggest you that home isolated COVID patients should do these exercises or asanas 2 times a day. That means in morning and then in evening also. So this particular video is the first part of our series in which we are going to discuss only 2 important asanas. First one is the Greeva Sanchalan, that is the neck movement. And second one is Skand Sanchalan, that is the shoulder movement. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Number 1 is Greeva Sanchalan, the neck movement. Greeva means neck and Sanchalan means movement. Now coming to the technique of Greeva Sanchalan, variation 1 is forward and backward flexion. Sit in any comfortable position with the hands resting on the knees and spine straight. Close your eyes. Slowly move the head forward and try to touch the chest with your chin. Now slowly move the head as far back as possible according to your comfort. Do not strain. Try to feel the stretch of the muscles of the neck. You have to inhale in the backward movement and exhale in the forward movement. It can be performed at any time during the day, evening, or even at night. Relax and get ready for variation 2. Variation 2 is lateral flexion. Relax the shoulders completely and slowly move the head to the right. Try to touch the right ear to the right shoulder without raising the shoulders. Now move the head to the left and try to touch the left shoulder with your left ear. Here also, do not strain. Touching the shoulder is not necessary. Just focus on the movement and feel the stretch. You have to inhale on the upward movement and exhale on the downward movement. This variation of Greeva Sanchalan may release stress and stiffness in the head and neck. Relax and get ready for variation 3. Now coming to variation 3, gently turn the head to the right in a way that the chin is in line with the shoulder. Now move the head to the left as far as possible. Do not strain and feel the movement of the neck. You have to inhale while turning to the left or right and exhale while turning to front. Now relax and get ready for variation 4. Variation 4 is right and left lateral rotation. Now slowly rotate the head downward, then to the right backward, and then to the left in a relaxed circular movement. Feel the circular movement. You have to inhale as the heads move up and exhale as it moves down. This asana can give you dizziness. This asana also improves blood circulation, strengthens neck muscles. If you have high blood pressure, then avoid doing this. Relax. Open your eyes and get ready for the next asana. So, coming to the next asana, that is Skand Sanchalan, the shoulder movement technique. Variation 1 of this asana is socket rotation. Put your right hand on the right shoulder. In the side, bending your elbow in such a way that elbow is parallel to the ground. Move your elbow in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, assuming a circle. Make sure that your hand on the shoulder itself and whole body is still and not moving. Now, do the same for left hand. This asana strengthens shoulder muscles, relaxes thyroxis region. Also release stress and stiffness in the shoulder. Now do the same process with both the hands. Do it at least 10 to 15 times each. If you have high blood pressure and cervical spondylosis, then avoid doing this asana. Relax, lower your hands and get ready for the technique 2 of shoulder movement. Now, variation 2 is elbow bending. Stretch your arm in front of you, parallel to the ground, and bend it from elbow. And try to touch your shoulder from the hand. Now, do the same from another hand. And then from both the arms. Make sure that your body is still and only elbow is moving. Do it at least 15-20 times each. Very good exercise after a long desk work. Since all the nerves connecting the body pass through the neck, these asanas release stress and stiffness in the head, neck and shoulder region. Strengthen the muscles of the neck and the shoulders. Relax. Lower the hands and get ready for the variation 3 of shoulder movement exercise. Now, variation 3 of shoulder movement exercise is the windmill. Raise your arms in front of you at shoulder level and parallel to the ground. Now, rotate your arms in a 360-degree circular motion, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise motion, like the blades of a windmill. Do it at least 15-20 times. Study shows that the people who dedicate a few minutes of their office hours to some simple neck and shoulder movement exercises have a minimal level of neck and shoulder pain. You can do these stretching exercises while sitting on your chair or standing up on the floor. Stretch your arms all the way up from the shoulder, then in the sides, then take them back and then in front of you. Lower the hands gradually and relax.